just because I can never leave well enough alone. Let me spin you around. So I went out and bought 2 of these 4-cart shelves. You remember the video I did on the 1-drawer cart that is now a no-drawer cart, because that drawer went to my 4-drawer cart. So if you're not confused yet, what it needed was really another big drawer. So that worked out. So then I was looking at the 4-drawer side shelf, and I was like, let's put that on the no-drawer cart, formerly the 1-drawer cart. So just pop it up. I did one side. What I did here is I used the top handle bolt, right, with just a longer nut, because it does come with these spacers, right? And then for the bottom, I just used a self-tapper. As you can see, the holes didn't quite line up with both handle bolts, so I decided just to go right under it with a self-tapper. It goes into this handle, so it's out of the way. So I'm going to do the other end, and I'll come back. So these side shelves are typically $19.99 at Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight just had a member coupon for 30% off anything $20 and under. So that made these 2 shelves a buy. And it makes this service cart a lot more functional. And I can just wheel it right back where it was. So there you go. This was easy enough. Y'all take care. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel if you haven't. Have a blessed day.